Hi guys. Welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn how to merge PDFs with Bubble API connector. We will use this sample PDFs and merge into a single PDF. First, log into your Bubble account and go to My Templates page. Then, click the New Template button. We will fill out the template form to create a new template. Then, click on the Edit icon to open a new template. Click on the Start with a Blank Page button, and close the assistant. Let's build a form. Click Input for the source file. And add a button to send a request. Next, click on the Plugins tab, and add plugins. Then, install the API connector plugins. Once the API connector is installed, click on the Add Another API. Let's set up the API connector. In the API name field, type in your desired API name. In the name field, add your preferred name. Select the action option for use as. Let's use post for the method. And add the PDF.co PDF merge endpoint. You can get the PDF.co PDF merge endpoint in API docs. Then, choose your preferred data type in the drop-down box option. Let's add headers. Type in X API key for the first key. And enter your PDF.co API key for the value. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. For the second key under headers, add accept. And type in application/file for the value. Let's add parameters. Type URL for the key. And add the comma-separated URLs of the source PDF files that you want to be merged for the value. Then, tick on the Queries checkbox. And click on the Initialize Call button. Once the API connector is set up correctly, PDF.co PDF merge will return a sample value. In the Workflow tab, click on the Add an Event box. Then, select the Elements, and an Elements is clicked option. Now, click on the Add an Action button, and select the PDF.co PDF merge plugins. Let's map the dynamic data value. For the URLs param, add the input source files value. Let's add another action. Select Navigation, and select the Open an External website. Then, input the PDF.co PDF merge body URL result. And click the Preview button. Now, add the source file URLs you want to merge, and click the Send Request button to see the result. Here's the output that we successfully merge into a single PDF. We have a lot of video tutorials. Just visit to our YouTube channel, and please hit the subscribe button. and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.